Hello, everybody. We were talking about different careers. Now that the 12th results have come and the students are very, very confused, like which branch they should take, especially in engineering. Everybody wants to take computer science and engineering, but I would also like to give some insights about electronics and communication engineering because it is a branch of engineering that deals with the study of electronic devices, circuits, communication systems, and their applications. So it encompasses a wide range of topics, including analog and digital electronics, signal processing, telecommunication, microelectronics, and embedded systems. ECE graduates have a plethora of opportunities in various industries, including telecommunications, information technology, semiconductor manufacturing, consumer electronics, automotive, aerospace, healthcare, and defense. They can work as electronics engineers, communication engineers, network engineers, embedded systems engineers, signal processing engineers, and research scientists. The rapid achievements and advancements in technology have created a high demand for skilled ECE professionals who can innovate, design, develop, and maintain the electronic systems and communication networks. With the rise of emerging technologies like 5G, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, the demand of ECE professionals is expected to grow even further. The ECE graduates can pursue higher education and specialize in the niche areas like VLSI design, wireless communication, photonics, or opt for certifications to enhance their skills and stay updated with the latest industry trends. Additionally, entrepreneurship and research opportunities are also available for those interested in innovation and technology development. Overall, ECE offers a promising career path with diverse opportunities for growth, innovation, and making a significant impact on society through technological advancements. So, my dear students, you don't have to worry if you're not getting computer science and engineering, but you will be getting a better life in electronics and communication engineering with plenty of opportunities in future. Stay blessed.